Hey crowns, welcome back to another video. In today's video I would like to take you along my wedding wig making process featuring the fine hair WIGS GH. So these are the bundles of hair and then the frontal. I used 2 bundles of premium human hair and a full frontal. So please, this is the raw state of my wigs, and then that's the dummy, and then the net which we are going to stitch the frontal and then the bundle of hair on. So as you can see, we are trying to fix the frontal on the dummy head, make sure it's accurate so that it won't shift when we start stitching. So that's what we're doing. I'm not a professional, but then I would like to take you guys along. And that's a friend. Oops. The thing fell off because the table is very slippery. So I learned the appropriate table is supposed to be a wooden table or probably a tripod. Yeah, so she gave up, and then she tried using the table just like that to fix the frontal. So the next thing was to try. It wasn't perfect, so we tried using it, and then I held on to it for it to be stable. That was me helping out. Yes, I wanted to make sure the hair was made to my satisfaction. So one thing you should notice, you come in with your style, and I might insert a picture of the inspiration, where I had the inspiration to make this. Apparently I dyed this hair afterwards, which is not added to this video, but this hair was dyed a bit. The tip of the hair was dyed with kind of a purple dye. Yes, I adore purple dye, but then the process, I didn't record the process in addition to this wig. So kindly enjoy and then look at how this was done. As I said, we're using thread and needle because this whole process of fixing the wig was hand stitched. Yes, it was hand stitched. So not machine stitched, but hand stitched from frontal to fixing of the hair bundles to everything. So please stick and stay. Some of the process was fast forwarded because I didn't want this video to be very long, but you can watch this video and then try to install a wig on your own. At least it helps. Yes, so please stick and stay, enjoy the background music, and leave your comments as well after watching this video if what you think about the method we used, and also which one you prefer, whether hand stitched or machine stitched. The professionals can also drop in their comments if this process helped, and also please leave a comment. Kindly watch to the end of this video to see the before and then the after look after it was being styled. Yes, so it was stitching throughout. Let me not bore you with a lot of talks, but please enjoy and share this video. Comments, as I said, I really love replying your comments and interacting with you in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on your post notification as well, and like this video, yes, because I really took time to document this entire process for you guys. So please like this video. I know you would learn a thing or two about stitching wigs together, because most of you just buy already made wigs without you knowing how it was done. This is the hand stitch one, which is now not really common because of technology, which most of the wig makers use machine to stitch. But yeah, this is it. Kindly follow the fine WIGS_GH and purchase, and you can make your order whether you want it hand stitched or machine stitched. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy to the very last bit. Love you all. bye.